Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Vijaya and I'm here to complete my assignment 4. So, before I start my topic, I would like to start off with a story, and the story goes like this. Once there was a king uh, who used to take care of his kingdom, and while he is going around in a forest one day, he suddenly finds a beautiful bird. He was so amazed by the bird that he catches the bird and he brings it home. So his intention of bringing the bird home was like this. So every time when he wakes up early in the morning, he wishes to see the bird flying and expects that he should feel happy out of it and he should make his day. So he brings the bird to his palace and keeps him on a nice, you know, behind his window there was a nice beautiful tree, and he happens to like keep him very safely there. And the bird literally sits there, and it's like most of the time what he used to eat in the jungle or the forest, the bird normally had its own kind of food over there, natural food, but here it was even more fed with the richest of the food, and like the nuts and dry fruits. So although the king was giving and feeding the bird with the best of the best things, he noticed that the bird wasn't flying. So he was just eating and just literally sitting on the branch of the tree there. He never noticed the bird flying, unlike he uh, saw it in the first time at the jungle. So he literally was worried why the bird is not flying. So he calls out to the best of the doctors and to treat the bird. And the doctors come visit the bird, check the bird, and still the bird is unable to fly. So finally the king announces in the palace that to the whole place, so whoever does something that the bird could fly, he would give them the gift in the form of money. You would give a reward in the form of money. So he announces it. So everybody, there are a lot of people who come to test the bird and let it fly, but still the bird was not able to fly. Finally there was a man who came to the palace and he says like, I'm going to make the bird fly. So everybody was shocked, and hesitatingly they gave the chance to the man. So the man goes to the tree and near the tree, and then he happens to take a knife and he happens to cut off the branch where the bird was sitting. So with that, the bird has a fear of falling down, and he beautifully starts flying. So he starts flying and everybody was shocked. So friends, with that we understand that why the bird was not flying all the while, although they were giving the best of the food. He was very happy sitting there on the branch of the tree in his comfort zone. Okay, so the bird was in its comfort zone. He was not ready to even fly. Everybody was trying to make it fly, so the best ways they tried. So he was in the comfort zone. So when the man cut off the branch, it got fear, and he had to, like, to save himself from the fear of falling down, he had to literally fly. So likewise friends, here we understand that we have to always come out of our comfort zone, then only we can face the situation. So during this pandemic especially, we most of us are like in our comfort zone, and we never come to understand what is the thing we will when we have a fear of being in our comfort zones, or what will happen, and we are not able to come out of such things. So the pandemic is such that we have to get adapted to the things, and we have to live with it. Maybe in future we don't know how far it is going to take us, so we have to adapt ourselves. And most of the time we don't even know that maybe we can utilize this bad situation. It is a bad thing, but there will always be something good in it, and we can utilize this as an opportunity to learn new things. And most of us did not even know, like the school children are having online sessions, and maybe it is for their better prospect in future, where they have to align themselves and attend online sessions and all. So it's like, wherever it is, however it is, we have to accept the way it is, and we have to be ready for a change, and we have to come out of our comfort zone so that we can face anything and we will succeed in life. Thank you very much.